Have you had a cordless vacuum before? Or have you had one before? Anyway, this would be my first one. So today we'll be talking on this kind of vacuum here. It's a Shark Cordless Pet Plus. What makes me curious about this is because it uses or it has a power fins instead of bristles. And as it says here, it's supposed to be more powerful. So we'll be looking at that later. So for now, let's do unboxing and let's check what this one comes with. Outside the box, it'll tell us what to expect and its features. So it says here 40 minutes runtime. So maybe that is after a full charge. And so it says here you can use it for the countertops up to the ceiling. And what this is what I'm talking about. This one uses power fins instead of bristles. And on the sides here tells us pretty much the same thing. And it says here also self-cleaning brush rolls, maybe because on here using the bristles, normally the hair would stuck in between and on here, so it's not supposed to get stuck in there. Maybe we can just slide it off, or maybe, yeah, maybe this vacuum can, because of its powerful suction, as it says, is supposed to go in there. So we'll check on that. Let's now check what the package comes with. First, of course, it comes with a manual. And oh, this must be one of the attachment. So that one right there. And okay, what's this? Oh, this must be the middle part of the vacuum. So that looks like that. Okay, and there's some more right here. So this is another attachment. Maybe this is for the countertop. Okay, so it looks like that. And this one over here, this must be the AC for charging the vacuum. Okay. And, okay, oh, this must be the power head. Okay. Okay, there you go. Oh, actually, by looking at it, it's, yeah, it looks like it has a brush, and this must be the paraffins, this one here. And with a, like a brush thing right there. Okay, anyway, we'll see. Okay, and there are more on here. Oh, okay, this is, okay, so far this is the other part of it. So it looks like to charge is going to be over here. Well, it looks like that's it. And now let me show you to put them together, which is very, very simple. So from here, this is your power head. And so that end we will connect to here, and this end will connect to that other part. So this one, make sure you click, there you go. So that should be good. And now let's connect this part here to here, which is very simple. Simply put this other end to there and wait until it clicks. There you go. And now we're all set. And now to detach, there is a button right here. Just simply press and then pull it up. There you go. And by the way, over here, so for you to be able to bend it, there's a foot picture right there. So simply put your foot right there and then do like that. And then if you want it standing up, then like that. And now to detach this one is pretty simple, same as earlier. So there is a button right there. Just press that and pull this up. There you go. And now let's say you want to use these attachments for ceiling, to reach or cleaning the ceilings or some corners. Same process. So just do that until it clicks. And there you go. You're all ready. And then, of course, this other end, connect the big one, the big part. And there you go. I should say the length of this attachment over there, including this one here, is pretty decent. So as you can see, since my house ceiling is not that high, I could for sure reach that. So something like that. And now to detach, it's pretty much the same. So from here, press that and pull this other part. Same with this one here, press and pull it. And now to use this other part over here for the counter tap, I don't suggest you use this long anymore, not unless you want to reach maybe something. So if you're just maybe cleaning a countertop, then you can just connect it to here directly. So same thing until it clicks, and there you go. So you can clean it like that. Okay, and now I will be charging it, and I'll see how long will it take for this to have a full charge, and we'll go from there. As I mentioned, the charge is just over here. So I will simply connect that over there, and then I'll plug this into the wall. In my opinion, this is pretty cool because it has a battery level right there. So that means once the three lights there is being lit up, then that's fully charged. Or maybe if you are using it and then once it's up to the first bar right there, then it means you have to charge it. For the first time I charged this vacuum, it took me about 2.5 hours to get a fully charged. So if I'm going to turn it on a little bit just to show you, there you go, that I got a 3 bars full charge. So again, it took me about 2.5 hours. But mind you, when I get this one, it has already 1 bar right there. Maybe it was not drained at all. But anyway, now let's do a test and let's see how strong it is, if it is really strong. First, let me show you that it's so clean right there because I never used it. Okay, and now we will do some testing. And as you can see over here, it looks like there are at least two controls right there. So the other one is for bare, the middle one is for bare floor, and then the far one over there is for carpet. So this, since this is a carpet, so I'm gonna push it all the way to the end. Okay, there you go. Okay. Okay, and let's see if we got something. Look at that. Got some hair on it. Okay, now I'm curious. It looks like, and now let's look at the bottom right here, if there are hair. If you look at it, there is no hair strands on it. Unlike my other vacuum, the ones uses the brush rolls on it or rollers, it would always have a hair on here somewhere. Oh, this must be good. Okay, let's do some more. Okay, and let's check again. Yes, it looks like it did. And to open it, so you simply like push this towards that way, and then you can open it from here. So if you push it like that, and then it'll open up from there. There you go. As you can see, those are dust, and wow, this must be good. Let me show you what I got after I vacuumed for 20 minutes. So that's how much I got. Dust and hair. And this is the battery left after 20 minutes of vacuuming. So I still have 2 bars right there. So I only used up 1 bar pretty much for 20 minutes. Anyway, there you go. So that's pretty much what it is. And again, to remove those dirt, just push this one like that, and then this should be open right there. Okay. And now let me show you the bottom part of this power head if it has hair on it. There you go. So as you can see, there is no hair on it after 20 minutes of vacuuming. Let me just show you one more feature on here. If you just turn this on like that, so let's say, so this is the first level, and then this is the second level, and this is supposed to be for the carpet, and then the first one is for bare floor. Now, if you want it more, and let me turn it off first. Now, if you want it more powerful, or to increase the power, then you have to pull this one here. So if in case you have this kind of a vacuum, then you have to pull this one here uh, to add the power to the suction over here. Okay, let me show you. So this is the first level, and if you want it more powerful, then you have to pull this up like that, and then again. So the second level, this is for the floor or a carpet floor, and then again pull this one. There you go. That's how powerful it is. I think I'm loving this kind of vacuum. Anyway, there you go. So this is a Rocket Pro Shark cordless vacuum. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I'm just doing my review on this kind of vacuum.